Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have an 07 Honda Accord in the shop with a 4-cylinder 2.4 liter. We have a complaint of a shake is vibration, shall I say, not more a shake, more a vibration. So we're going to do a motor mount check and show you how to check your motor mounts. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Good. Okay, other way. Reverse. All right. So what I was looking for on that motor mount check was my partner in crime has the car running, just at idle, foot on the brake, e-brake on, put it in drive, and just does a quick acceleration. And when you see that, the engine moved up and down. So we have a motor mount in the front here, right here, and if that was a broken motor mount, we would have known excessive banging. And we have the motor mount in the front by the timing belt area. That had movement too, but it was all within the specifications of the throw. Then I had him put it in reverse. By going in reverse, the engine's going to go the opposite torque, and I checked the motor mount in the back. And we had minimal movement from all motor mounts. So that is not a problem at this time.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.